Hello friends, today's topic is for waterfall hairstyle. So for this hairstyle all you need to do is take a section of hair, but before that comb your hairs to one side, any side which you like. Then from the center take a section of your hair and comb it once, comb it very neatly, properly, and just start the 3-strand braid. You should tie a rubber band when it's finished. And remember that you are not going to put the whole braid till your end of the hair. So put this braid only till, make the end of your braid only till your ear. Then comb the hair which are below of the braid, and then comb the rest hair at the back. Make it plain. And now take a small section of your hair. I repeat, you have to take a small section. Then from one side of loop, enter your thumb and a finger like this and just put in the hair from the loop. Do the same from the second one. Let's do it once again. Take a section of hair and put it in the loop and just make it tight. Same from the third one. Comb, comb all the two of your sections before starting from the third one. Then take a section of your hair, put it in the loop and just make it tight. Yes, we have to do this from all the sides. Take a section of your loop, put 2 fingers in it and just pass the section of your hair from that loop and just make it tighten. Once you have completed, comb the hair which are back, or you can say below, from your this waterfall braid. Then pin it up with a bobby pin or a pop-up clip. So you can just pin it back, and all you need to do after this is take all the hair that are sections which we have passed through the loops. There are totally 5 sections which I have created. You can create more, but I like only this much. Now these are all the 4 sections. First, make the back side plain of your hair. Then comb all the loops of your hair. That's it. Now just catch over the braid and move your hair a little up front to make it look more good, and you are done.